Entrance is coming. At the bottom of the staircase.
CV Ramanagar, I strongly believe we are winning hands on because this I have seen the track record of this MLA. He was 15 years as a MLA, 10 years before he was a corporator. He has done nothing on education. He hasn't improved the government schools. There was no SC hostels. There was no BC hostel. There was no government colleges in this. He has done nothing on health front. There are PHCs. Do not have doctor for last 3 years. He has done nothing for women except giving silver plate that he thinks actually it will empower the woman. He looted completely. So then he is throwing something to people because he doesn't basically believe in people dignity. So he never give any training through which women can empower themselves. He never give a skill development training or never, despite being in the heart of the Bangalore city, he never tried to organize a even single job fair. He never opened his mouth, asked a single question or given a single speech in assembly. So he's a total disaster completely. But on the contrary, Mr. Anand is a very good young and dynamic candidate coming from a very, very normal background. He's one among any common public. He's a very simple guy. I believe actually this time people will give him a chance. Also there is a wave in favor of Congress in Karnataka. So we will win very easily CV Ramanagar.